Breaking news, guy. Mario didn't pay his house payment. Jeffrey. Hey, Daddy. What doing? Black Yoshi, number 3. Mario, please. I need a new Call of Duty. Shrek. Oh, Donkey's coming. Kermit. Hey everybody, I'm Kermit the Frog. I got a new headset. See, I'm rich. Actually, to Elmo now. La 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 la, la 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 la, Elmo's World. Mickey Mouse. Oh, you're a cute one. You like squeaky toys. That's the end. I'll see you all later.